I-legend le-Kaizer Chiefs lithi uPhili uyi-player eli-important kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. UTitus ama-reports aphumayo bafowethu uyojoyina i-team yase-North Africa le edlalela uMabasa if uzowaphasa ama-medicals and stuff. Lethusayo ukuthi bamthengise ngemali encane kakhulu but makuza i-Kaizer Chiefs or ama-teams wase-Johannesburg, i-Stellenbosch sifuna imali eserious. Ezinye sizokhuluma ngazo bafowethu. Ubani uSekgota sethole i-team yase-Egypt. uThembi Nkosi Lorch angaba kwenye i-move futhi bafethu asuke laphana eLibya bayidlela imali nomngani wakhe but sokhuluma ngabo bowu-2. uMaseko uyayishisa Downs njengoba bengishilo ngithi ngeke asurvive. Orlando Pirates reject ama-offers aphumayo ka-Ozwenapolis. uLucas Ribeiro seskeme i-team yazi yaskemeka bafowethu. Scam sakhe siyamsebenzela laphana umfowethu ngoba sejoyine i-Esperance after ukudla imali yenye i-team. Angiyazi into enjena bafethu, kusho ukuthi ulona ubani uLucas Ribeiro unama-lawyer noma unabantu aba-understand ama-contracts webhola cause bayaskema nje abantu bathatha iy'mali zabantu and get away with it. But-ke with that being said bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngiyaxolisa bafethu ungasadrobha ama-episode, ungasangidrobhela ama-updates. I am going through so much la kumele ngidecide khona ukuthi ngisafuna ukukhuluma ngebhola noma ngisafuna ukukhuluma ngebhola ngoba ziningi izinto engidlula kuzo ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukuzishare ezinye public. And in a way I'm captured, in a way kancane hayi kakhulu, I'm captured cause khona izinto eziningi ezenzeka behind closed doors, behind the scenes. Ngithola ama-calls njalo abantu abafuna ukuthi ngikhulume ngezinye izinto. Kuningi nje. At the same time, when I spoke to you guys about ukuba independent kwethu, just that I didn't want to say ukuthi abantu kumele benzeni ukuthi sibe fully independent, sistope ukuba under abanye abantu. But-ke at the moment we can't be fully independent. Abanye abantu bazamile but I was like no, it's not enough bafethu, I need more than ukuthi sikwazi ukusustain. And ziningi indaba zebhola bafethu engizaziyo ey'thusayo abantu abaningi abangathanda and zingangithusa mangangitshela izinto ey'ningi engizizwayo every day. Nokuthi ngihleli nosibanibani obekadlalela i-team so wakhuluma into engithusayo, ngikhulume ne-agent likhuluma into wait, and this is what I heard. Alikho iplayer la ku-PSL worth 10 million. Like from i-team yaku-PSL to another team alikho. Le 16 million uPhili is not even worth 16 million. And ama-teams waku-PSL noma ngithi ku-Betway Premiership ayakwazi lokho. That is why ubona abo-Titus bafowethu bamuva ngabo 5 million baya e-North Africa. But-ke ama-teams wase-Joburg bathi kumele akhokhe o-10 million. But ngizozama ukuchaza lokho. Ngibonge kubantu bafowethu, you guys have been supporting, you guys have been watching, subscribing. But-ke I wish ngayi-introduce le model entsha but-ke angifuni ukuphusha abantu entweni labangeke babe comfortable kuyo. Asiqaleni ngoTitus. UTitus le team lena emfunayo noma evumelane neStellenbosch, cabanga bamthengise just over 5 million rands kuphela. If bekafuna i-Chiefs bekuzothiwa uyi-20 million lo muntu lo. Bafuna ukuthi maybe i-Kaizer Chiefs izama ukunegotiate i-15 million. So angiwa-understand mina ama-team wase-Cape Town. Namanje Cape Town Spurs beyifuna i-10 million or 12 million for uvele by. But wonke lama-player lawa ahamba mahhala, amanye bawathola ngo-2 million, amanye bawahambisa ngey'mali obona ukuthi nawe eziphansi. But makuza ama-teams wase-Johannesburg, I don't understand. Ngisafuna ayenzi sense lento lena bafethu, ngiyazama ukuthi yenze sense but ayenzi sense. Ngiyazama ukuyibona ngama-angle a-different, ayenzi sense ukuthi ungaba ne-player all-price different. And mawubheka uTitus ba-renew i-contract yakhe cause bayazi ukuthi ama-teams wase-Johannesburg ayamfuna uTitus and babheke wona ukuthi akhiphe imali eserious bagcine baskema lama-teams. Okhanyisa azange bahambe ngale imali lezi ebefuneka ko-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke bayazi ukuthi bona why. Yasimuveni to uPhili. Ubani lo mjida uThuso Phala wayedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu but waduma ku-Platinum Stars SuperSport United. But-ke manje public uThuso Phala uyi-legend le-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba udlala nakuma-legend we-Kaizer Chiefs. Angithi uthe uPhili uyi-generational talent. Ngifuna ukumake sure ukuthi ngisho kahle le gama. I don't understand ukuthi uyibase on in lento lena uThuso Phala cause baningi abantu aba-talented esibaziyo bafethu. To say someone is a generational talent, it means that lo muntu lo kumele akwazi ukusiprova ukuthi ngempela uyi-talent elivelele serious cause i-talent kuPhili sonke siyalibona bafethu. Confidence yakho on the ball siyayibona. It's just a matter of ukuthi i-style se-Kaizer Chiefs simvume nama-player amvume ku-Kaizer Chiefs, then-ke lapho singakwazi ukumi-immortalise uphilise ithi yazini uyi-player eli-rescue i-team, ithi i-team yonke ifile but yena avumbuke. Kuningi okumele akwenze bafowethu, and I'm sure wena olalele khona i-player olaziyo ukuthi usibanibani bekayi-superstar but-ke azange afike kule level le bomcabangela kuyo, cause basheshe bam-celebrate early. Umu-celebrate umuntu ungamu-celebrate but-ke uvele uthi generational talent, umuntu odlale what 2 games for i-Kaizer Chiefs nje kuphela, it's not enough. We've seen great players zange baphelele ndawo. Asisho ukuthi unophili isitori sakhe sizohamba kamnjalo but-ke ubonakala njengomjida o-grand, umjida o-focus ongakwazi ukudeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. UNkwesa laphana umfana omncane ubongile nje bafowethu ukudlala i-first game yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Simbonile-ke engena laphana umfana waba exciting laphana ku-left back. Abantu abaningi futhi bayayi-respect i-performance yakhe noma bayihloniphile, basho ukuthi bayafisa ukumbona umfana emagemini amaningi edeliver laphana noma anikwa i-fair chance ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uDa Cruz angasabi ukumdlalisa umfana, kuyabonakala noma ngithi kuyacaca ukuthi there's something special about the boy. Uyambona ukuthi akatatazeli laphana, une-confidence. For mina uNkuli ngike ngambukela umfana way before afika ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Soweto bafowethu, what a player. Futhi ibhola, it's not just ibhola nje kuphela bafowethu, lidinga inhlanhla ibhola, anything, whether i-career, whether like sometimes udinga inhlanhla, well not sometimes, at times udinga inhlanhla. In fact most of the times udinga inhlanhla, udinga ukuba sendaweni e-right ngesikhathi esi-right. Bheka manje kulimala amajita angakanani laphana ku-left back, umfana nawe uyakwazi uku-step up, uyakwazi ukubonisa ucoach ukuthi naye ukhona, uhungry, ulinde i-opportunity yakhe ukuthi ucoach amnike, bamnikile. Simbonile laphana even ayaphambili. So ubonga i-management e-Kaizer Chiefs, washo umndeni wakhe, wabonga nje even nabantu aba-around bafowethu, cause i-history for yena, what a journey ukuthi azibone umfana edlala laphana ku-first team ku-Kaizer Chiefs, the biggest team in the history of i-South African football. UMphahlele bekhuluma laphana ku-Metro FM, wa-announce ukuthi uya-retire. But into nje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo lento la ikhulumile ukuthi wahambelani laphana ku-Sundowns, uthi imali kuphela. So bekafuna ukufaka iy'ngane zakubo laphana esikoleni nokusiza laphana, and ubeke wacaca ukuthi yena wakhula vele enganalutho bafowethu. So bokuyi-important for yena ukuthi akwazi ukugiva back kubo, akwazi ukusiza iy'ngane zakubo bafowethu. Omunye uthi beqeda laphana e-high school, omunye ase-university. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke yam-ofara imali ehlakaniphile than Mamelodi Sundowns. Engihlezi ngisho bafowethu ngithi i-Sundowns idumile ngokuthi iyakwazi namabhonus ahlakaniphile, even nama-contracts ahlakaniphile, but akusho ukuthi wonke umuntu oku-Sundowns uhola kangcono, akusho lokho. Khona baningi abantu abahola over less than 100,000 ku-Sundowns, baningi bafowethu. So and sometimes mabangakufavor i-team nabakufavor ngeke uyithole imali. Ungaba sethimini enkulu but thola ukuthi abakufavor, abakuzwa kahle, then i-biggest contract of his life wayekuthola ku-Kaizer Chiefs uMphahlele. And I would like to say congratulations to Sekgota bafowethu, umfana I think wase-Limpopo, if angilenzi iphutha bafowethu. I remember okay manje usayinwe i-team yalaphana e-Egypt, ama-reports asho kanjalo. Angithi lona umdlali few months back bafowethu bese-rehab, ukubonakala ngathi isikhathi sakhe siphelile noma i-career yakhe iphelile. But-ke nangu manje sethole i-team laphana e-North Africa, and one of the greatest teams or countries in terms of ibhola e-Africa. If angakwazi ukuperforma kule team yakhe le i-projector noma i-proj whatever, sengilikhohlwe igama lakhona, but I remember ngiyayazi i-team yakhona, sengingayibona igama lakhona nje liyavela mawubheka ibhola lase-Egypt. Bamsayinile umfana, udlale kuSwelele bamrelease, but-ke ukwazile ukuthola i-contract. Sikhumbule ukuthi uke waba even nase-Europe umfana, washisa, wabuya ku-Wits, waya ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So uyi-player eli-promising or eli-good if ama-distractions engekho, cause-ke ayuba easily distracted umfana. Simfisela inhlanhla laphana eGibhita noma ngithi e-Egypt. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch, nangu ubani u-Akzi noma ubani lo mjida lona. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch nalo mjida lona baye-Libya, bawu-2 sebafuna ukuhamba-ke manje e-Libya, futhi lo munye sehambile ubuyele ku-Yanga. Sebayidlile-ke imali laphana e-Libya, babonile ukuthi hayi alahlile lama-Arab laphana e-Libya bafethu anemali yokudlala, udlala just a few months kuphela and then sebafuna ukuhamba, and sehambile-ke lo. But imali-ke bakheshe noThembi Nkosi-Lorch naye kunama-links a-different bafethu, bayamdinga ebholeni lase-Morocco again, cause bayambona ukuthi iyi-player eli-exciting kakhulu. Sikhumbule ukuthi uRhulani Mokwena lo wabaletha laphana eLibya akasekho, so it makes sense ukuthi oThembi Nkosi-Lorch bafuna ukuhamba cause abazi ukuthi o-coach abazofika bazobadlalisa noma ngeke babadlalise oThembi Nkosi-Lorch. Yadliwa imali la emhlabeni, so kumele ube neplan nje lokuthi uyidla kanjani imali. So shout out to oThembi Nkosi-Lorch ngokumanage i-career yabo kahle. Indaba ey'nkulu bafethu ey'phuma laphana eKlokop njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uLona uMaseko ngeke ahlale. I-Sundowns izothola over 28 million rands njengoba ezohamba laphana uMaseko ejoyina i-team yase-Europe. So it's a good business deal for iMamelodi Sundowns le. It's a great deal bafethu for i-Sundowns ukuhambisa umfana noma ngithi ukuhamba kwakho uMaseko cause besokuyi-player nje le-add number ku-Sundowns. But-ke I think i-value yakhe nama-teams walapha ne-Europe akwazi ukuyikhipha bafethu le mali lena angasabi ukuthi bambonile performa kahle laphana ku-FIFA World Cup. So I don't blame the team. I don't wanna lie. I don't blame the team ngokuyikhipha le mali lena. So uMaseko-ke izinto zakhe kumele zihambe kahle bafethu, aphase ama-medicals, aphase everything, and then-ke sobona i-team yalapha ne-Europe bafethu im-announcer, and that would be cool ukubona uMaseko se-announce one of the biggest teams laphana eDenmark bafethu. Kukhona namanye ama-players wala ne-South Africa nawo abawa-announce-ayo, amuvayo, ajoyina e-Europe, ajoyina even some different parts of the world. So that's a good thing cause umfana kumele abe mentally, kumele abe right, abe ku-head state, abe right nje mentally and physically ukuthi akwazi ukudeliver for i-team. And shout out to i-Sundowns ngokumnika leso space leso ukuthi umfana akwazi ukuya overseas kuyobheka ukuthi okay angadlala lana, angakwazi ukudeliver la yabo. Shout out to bona ngokuba ne-common ground cause ubabakho ubani lo muntu wasemndenini wakho ukuthi ukhulume nomphathi we-Sundowns ba-explaina yonke i-situation and-ke baba-granta i-move away from iMamelodi Sundowns. Mengivula le clip ngithi i-Orlando Pirates iblocker ulokhu njani ubani uZwenapolis, right? So uZwenapolis kunama-links wakhe noma ngithi kunama-teams amfunayo, but I cannot confirm ukuthi they've offered i-Orlando Pirates imali and then Orlando Pirates yathi no. But what I'm hearing ukuthi Orlando Pirates, they're not willing to lose ama-key players la bafana bebaperforma last season. So ukuluza u-Apolisi manje ingekho maybe i-replacement e-ready laphana bayibonayo ukuthi okay super ready. U-Apolisi, uMuremi bathi they're not willing to lose bonke labo bantu labo same time, considering the fact that they've already lost uMbekezeli Mbokazi during the course of last season. They've already lost uRele Mofokeng, so they don't wanna disturb isquad sabo sonke laphana. So bona kuZwenapolis ukuthi uyahlala laphana full time noma-ke khona i-team ezovela ithi no Pirates nifuna malini, sizokwazi ukumitha noma malini enifunayo khona sizokwazi ukuthola le player ngoba siyalidinga. Umfana wePolokwane City uMaduludi ubeka ku-World Cup laphana neBafana Bafana. Ama-reports aphumayo ukuthi akasafuni ukuba laphana kuPolokwane City, but kubonakala ngathi bayambhlokha kuPolokwane City, abafuni ukuthi ahambe. But iPolokwane City ine-history yokubhlokha ama-player, even noZwenapolis wahamba kanzima bafethu laphana kuPolokwane City. Angiyazi into enje mina. Kuthiwa ama-teams bawakhipha imali noma ofara, but-ke acime namafoni laphana umphathi wePolokwane City. Sithembe ukuthi noMaduludi is not going through leyo nto leyo yokuthi ufuna ukuhamba umdlali, and obviously it's not like they're giving him leyo contract leyo exciting Polokwane City at the end of the day. But-ke imagine abantu abakuniki imali, abakuniki even 100,000, but bazokutshela ukuthi hayi hlala ethimini solinda i-Europe. I-Europe uma ingafika khona ama-teams amanye azoshintsha impilo yakho lana locally, so they might as well just let you leave ujoyine i-team better than your current team. Singene noLucas Ribeiro, bama-announcile laphana ku-Esperance bafethu ukuthi kuzoba iplayer elizojoyina laphana, and bamazi kahle laphana ku-Esperance ukuthi uyi-player eli-good elike la-performa laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, lawina even nezinto ezi-different lana ebholeni lase-South Africa. Sebama-announcile kumsayina bathi usayine i-3-year deal, i-deal yakhona iphela ngo-2029. Ngike ngathi mengikhuluma ngoLucas Ribeiro ngathi i-scam. Yes, uyi-scam bafethu ngoba angazi ukuthi sengikhulume ngakho indaba yakhe yaseLibya ukuthi wathatha i-24 million yalapho Nyamalala only for yena ngama-last minute athi akasafuni ukuyijoyina le team le yaseLibya, kwasha kwacima, wa-explain indlela explaina ngayo kumele bathole i-common ground. ngoba yena akasafuni ukudlala laphana eLibya, uRolani Mukwena akasekho. Bachaza indlela abachaze ngayo but kuyithatheleni imali yakhona. But into engishilo ukuthi umthetho kusho ukuthi bayawazi labantu abamrepresentayo, ama-agents wakhe, amaloya wakhe, and they know how to maneuver around the law. Bayabona ukuthi no man, umthetho is there to be broken, and bayakwazi-ke ukuzidefenda nakusekasayine i-contract-ke. Usayine ama-contract ayi-2 in a space of a few weeks kuphela, but-ke eyi-1 liyazoyiphula, sobona-ke. But congratulations to him, we can't wait ukumbona ku-CAF Champions League. Utumele Ngikhune lana no-Happy Mashane, sikhumbule ukuthi la former teammates laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Utumele Ngikhune uposte u-Happy Mashane, obviously Happy Mashane-ke kuthiwa uney'nkinga ey'ningi, mentally, physically is not there. But-ke abantu ngibonile comment section kaTumele Ngikhune bathi hey akamsize uTumele Ngikhune amtholela i-team, usasenethalente lo muntu lona. Ithalente likhona, but the reality ukuthi uHappy akadlali for isikhathi eside, bafethu sesiside isikhathi lo muntu lona angadlali. Coach Gavin Hunt uthe uHappy Mashane kumele adlale boma 20 to 30 games esizini, then kuzobuyela ku-shape, but-ke manje is off shape. So ama-teams awasayini based on ukuthi wena uplay ne-potential, no, asayina based on i-delivery yakho ukuthi okay wanikwa i-chance lana wadeliver kangakanani, wadlala kangakanani. But-ke simfisela inhlanhla uVavo Happy Mashane ukuthi abuye to his best, akwazi ukuyithola i-contract because yena usafuna ukudlala i-professional game. Maningi ama-teams whether angasabi nokuya even ku-National First Division, if kumele aqale phansi bafowethu ku-National First Division. Siyazi ukuthi waqala ibhola lakhe professional ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so it's gonna be very very difficult for yena ukuthi aye ku-National First Division, la azophinde kwamanye ama-months angaholi nokuhola eziyakhala ku-National First Division bafowethu, akukho lula. So but-ke azibambe ziqine laphana umfana osethembisa 1632 iGiyane, bekafunda phi eGiyane High School, so simfisela inhlanhla. Asimuveni-ke umdlali wase-South Africa noma Bafana internationally, uSmith bafethu usesayine i-contract, i-long loan contract ne-team yaku-MLS laphana la kudlala khona uMbekezeli Mbokazi naboPhuso namanye ama-player, oMakhanya sehambile laphana. But-ke simfisela inhlanhla laphana e-United States of America, umfana omncane athole i-game time njengoba bengayitholi i-game time laphana ku-QPR, i-team yaseNgilandi emsayinile umfana. But-ke sithemba ukuthi le loan lena izomnika something, izomnika confidence, imnike na enough game time, mebabizwe futhi nakuBafana. U-goalkeeper ubani uSwati, u-goalkeeper weBanyana Banyana ushaya good saves bafethu, ama-save a-good kakhulu laphana against Nigeria, wakwazi ukuthola i-woman of the match. Uvimbile angifuni ukuqamba amanga, so obviously mina ngihlezi ngicomplaina no i-goalkeeping department yeBanyana Banyana, ngiyaxolisa ukuthi iBafana. But-ke kuleya game leya udlalile u-goalkeeper, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, shout out to yena. Then a special mention to ubani uKgatlana, what a player for iBanyana Banyana. Angazi ukuthi uyaba-rescue, uyabasave, uyabalwela njalo nje kuvumbuka yena, when it matters the most lo muntu lona uyavela for iBanyana Banyana, so shout out to yena. I think that is why edlala e-Europe, so akekho umuntu ongaphikisa. Well, not udlalaphi manje uKgatlana, hayi, yeah, but-ke ulo uyi-player eli-good kakhulu bafowethu for iBanyana Banyana. Uyakora even nalaphana kule competition abakuyo at the moment bafowethu, uyakwazi ukuyi-rescue i-team and